We use the simple present to talk about habitual activities, facts, or general truth. Let's go over one by one. We use the simple present to talk about habitual activities. Habitual activities means the activities we do repeatedly. For example, I call my grandmother every Friday. This is what I do habitually on every Friday.
It's Friday. I need to call my grandmother. Hello, Grandma?
Let's take a look at more examples of habitual activities. I take a shower after exercise. I drink coffee in the morning. I leave for work at 7 a.m. These are the activities I do habitually in the morning. Correct. I take a shower after exercise. Incorrect. I am taking a shower after exercise. Correct. I drink coffee in the morning. Incorrect. I am drinking coffee in the morning. Correct. I leave for work at 7 a.m. Incorrect. I am leaving for work at 7 a.m. We use the simple present for facts. Facts don't change, and they are always true with no exceptions. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. They are facts, and they don't change. The sun always rises in the east, and the sun always sets in the west. Let's take a look at more examples of the simple present with facts. The earth goes around the sun. Bees make honey. Rice doesn't grow in the desert. Correct. The earth goes around the sun. Incorrect. The earth is going around the sun. Correct. Bees make honey. Incorrect. Bees are making honey. To express what is happening right now, we say bees are making honey. However, if we want to express a fact, then we say bees make honey. Correct. Rice doesn't grow in the desert. Incorrect. Rice isn't growing in the desert. We use the simple present to talk about general truth. General truth means some things are generally true. For example, children love to play on the playground. It's true that some children do not want to play on the playground, but in general, most children love to play on the playground. Let's take a look at more examples. Babies cry when they get hungry. Vegetarians do not eat meat. Kids these days love to play video games. We use the simple present to talk about habitual activities, facts, or general truth. Now, you have learned how to use the simple present. For the next lesson, check out the simple present with third person singular s. Good job, and see you next time.